absolutely stunning day. Winter is upon us. Sun is shining. It's freezing cold though. I got my dirty rags on, stinking of gearbox oil. So yeah, I don't know where this video is going to go today. Don't even know if I'm going to post it, but we'll see. I'm out in the Escort. I'm on my way over to somewhere you've not seen for a while. If you're new to the channel, back. But yeah, I'll wait till I get it. It's been forever. So yeah, called in, gonna do a quick. I need to do something on somebody's car, which was booked in last year. We're out in the Escort with boosting. Obviously still waiting for the engine. Hopefully get some more engine work done next week. We've got a day booked in, and that should be it then. Other than the clutch, I've got to collect the gearbox off Mark. But yeah, let's get some quick little pulls now, and let's get to where I'm going. And then I wonder if I film what I'm doing, or this will just be an intro for another video. See you soon.
Hit subscribe.
We interrupt our program.
Oh yeah, don't forget the boot and the bumper modification you'll see from previous videos. Yep, get back on them really soon. Don't forget this barn find beauty is going to come to the channel soon, full review. Well, after I've cleaned it, because it's absolutely stinking. God, and look at this. It's been sitting underneath there. This is my old bumper off my Rep. So, look at the state on that. Just checking for all my followers. Hold on. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, boy, she's still there, the RS Turbo. So, yeah, don't forget, this will be welded soon, and this will be a bang out of a car. I don't mean banging racing. Yep, so we've not forgot about you. So where are we today, Matt? Where are we?
The old Bodyshop.
I got lost on the way up apparently. So yeah, if you hear that noise in the background, that's the kettle, and I'm absolutely stinking. Look at that. I'm filming my intro as my outro, so guess where I am. So yeah, after a long time off, obviously with Hope, I've come up today to do the job on the cars I did last year. We're on the other side, ready for this MOT. But yeah, I'm just going to vlog some stuff today, and hope you enjoy it. Nothing major, I don't know where this video is going. May go live this week, may go live next week, but who knows. Good to see Matthew back in the video, and we are going to get Matthew's Escort Cosworth on the channel. We told him it's got to come out this time. There's my baby, back where she began her life as this paint job. And I've got a little gift off Matthew, so I collect these. So these are doublers. So we've got these up in the garage, so super duper. Nice one, Matt. And come on, doesn't our car look good? Do you know what, right? It's now for winter, well, autumn, wherever. And in fairness, do you know what? The sun is gleaming today. Look at that up there in the sky. It is absolutely sweltering today. So doing a welding job, I was cooking. And do you know what? I got my dash out mug back on the go. Okay, so we're going to take the M3 back now to the owner. So yeah, I've done a video last year, and in the video last year you would have seen that I'd done the other side of the rear floor. did driver side today, we did passenger side last year. Lovely car, it's a lot of paint. He's had a wing repair, then he had brand new wings put on it, which we rolled the lips and stone guard and stone chip, and then we refitted them, painted the front end of the car. He's had the bumper done, wings blended into the back, he's had the bonnet done, he's come back in this time to have a side skirts done, and the welding done. Lovely car, credit to the owner. He's owned, I think, since from new. So yeah, I'm going to drop this off and I don't know, see where this video goes. Just me probably rambling today. Here we are, we got Matthew in the rep there, real boy. What's your thoughts on the rep, Matt?
Try anything once.
What, you saying it's not a good build then, or?
Top build, isn't it? We done it.
Clowns. So where are we going to do the review when you had it, Matt? On the spot now, do you?
Whatever you want.
You've said this for like 2 years?
I'll pass you the keys, it's fine.
Done it before, you?
Video evidence.
Yeah. Happy days. Something good, or?
Lovely.
So yeah, booked well, apparently we're going to get another fast forward feature on it.
Yeah.
Big build engine.
I want a colour swap.
He wants a colour swap bit, and I've got in my head,
This colour.
yeah, that's cool, can't tell him I yet. In my head, I want to do something with the interior. Don't want to tell you because somebody will snake me and do it. But I like the Recaro Hex, and I like other seats too, so that's a little bit of a hint, but who knows? Do you know what I mean? These things cost money and they take time, and these bills, they're one of those things that, well, they never finish apparently.
No.
I still got Fiesta's turbo to build, and you've got about 7 or 8.
I
And a Causey Restore and rebuild, and
find the stuff to go mine, isn't it?
yeah. So yeah, it'll happen, it'll all come. Do you know? So yeah. So giving Matthew a demonstration of what this raw power looks like, all like 240 odd horses, with my GT25 with no lag, and my crunchy gearbox. But yeah, we are going to pull up a lane now, so
Yeah.
we can't even boot it. I can't go up here because this is a bumper killer.
As we know.
Yeah, because Matthew took his front end off his car, killed his bumper, killed the bottom of his rad. He's got, what have you got? A water, AirTech cooler, that's 500 cooler. You got the AirTech rad, and you got a cooler for something else as well, haven't you?
Yeah, turbo cooler.
A turbo cooler. Wiped them all out. Wiped out his original Causey splitter. And,
2 of them.
Yeah. And
the hockey stick.
Yeah, took that out, and then dented all up underneath. Oh yeah, and his exhaust has never been right since. So yeah.
Raging.
Yeah. So yeah, he needs to tarmac his lane, so never mind. There we are, right super duper. I'm going to do a twirly whirly now, turn around and drop the boss off. First 4-wheel drive now, we have a skid there. I know someone else who's done that before.
Yep.
Did have a video of this up there, but that's long gone now.
Make another one.
Yeah. Shit, honestly. And if you have an Escort and you've got 18s on it, full lock is a nightmare. Do you have trouble with yours? I have got spaces as well, though, nice, but like, we'll ride out. It is what it is, isn't it? If it rubs, isn't it? At least if it rusts, then it pulls the rust off, or never mind.
There's no rubbing, you're not trying hard enough.
Aye. Right, yo, on to the next bit. Just gone out to show Matthew my sub, because I'm a chav, and look at this. It's like, what on earth is that?
You licked it.
No, I didn't. It's fucking bird shit. It's yours. It's Jacob's. Look at the state on that. But anyway, you've all seen my chav sub. Okay, so that's Matthew dropped off, and I'm on my way home now to tea, well, and a wash. So I tell you what, right, this car done half gets my attention. You're at traffic lights, people take a photo. You're literally driving, you can see the car behind you, they're like arm out the window, videoing you. And then I'm like, you go get petrol like this morning, someone stops and chats to you. And this is what happens, you end up, if you own a car like this, have you ever, well you haven't you end up on spotted car pages or cars you don't see anymore or blah 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 pages, and other pages share your car, and then you end up on these pages, and basically, ultimately, people like, that's not a real car's worth. or it could be you get, that's a rep, that is, you can tell straight away. You don't always get that, but you get it off of people who haven't got a clue. Because somebody said the other day, you can tell that's a rep, mate. I said, alright, this is online. I said, how's a rep? Sounds like I'm saying it all the time, but he said, because of a fuel gap. I was like, alright. So mate, you do know the difference between a small turbo and a big turbo, hence this is a big turbo rep. He's like, mate, it's in a different place. You can't ever replicate one because the back end's longer. You can't be asking an argument with him. He's had loads of apparently. Well, look, he had 909 years ago, which is battered. So if you're watching, thanks for the review. Yeah, thanks for the review, buddy. But yeah, look, people love to take a photo. People love to have a chat. Everybody had one. When I was younger, I had one. Did you? Yeah. When I was younger, I had one too, up there, or on my bedroom wall. So, yeah, I think I did this part of the video earlier, and when I was driving, I looked back on the GoPro, I hadn't pressed record, which is quite funny. So, I've had issues tonight in one of my videos where it was misfiring and not running right, and I changed coil packs to full of water, and it drove like a dream. But this morning, it drove like a pig. So I'd left it out in the rain again. So I really need to sort out that aftermarket booster 2000 cam cover, rocket cover thing, because it's caused it to run bad. But now, it seems to be okay. Yeah, it's running okay now, and it sounds great. And it's had a bit of fun in the car, man. He's like, you know what, you don't need to go for a new engine, a bigger power. I was like, I do, because this engine is dead. But yeah, that's where we are with that, and this video just seems a bit of a ramble. So I'll probably lose all the subscribers for it now, or I'll have people giving it a thumbs down. But you know what, it's really difficult to keep content coming, and it's difficult to stay current, it's difficult to stay in the algorithm. And look, ultimately, I don't want to be a YouTuber for my job, do you know what I mean? But I want to get away from my real job, doing stuff with cars, and spending more time there. Hence the fact I'm looking for a unit. I've been in talks today with another unit next to the shop, luckily. So, well, I'm in talks with it, but I expressed an interest of units, if they do become available, in that area where it's not too far. It's only 5 miles from my house. So yeah, more content, more working on cars, more doing what I enjoy. When I'm off then, do you know what I mean, like Chelsea and Hope, I come up with Bodyshop, and I can do my screen printing, NCTs I do, screen printing skateboards, screen print your apparel for you, screen print stickers, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's what I'm looking at doing long term. But I don't know if it'll ever come, or if it's just a dream. One of my mates trying to shut me down saying, you don't want to do that. And if you're watching, you change your name now, you're not 11 a reef. You need a J off in between us because you've done it better. You created it, you made it up, mate, you know. You are a good mate. But yeah, so like, they're like, oh, that's a mortgage, or it is. And yeah, it is a mortgage to rent somewhere. But if you can work from it and you can make money and make it work, it's a no-brainer, isn't it? Look, that's my goal, that's what I want to do, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And I got Chelsea behind me supporting me, and I got my mates supporting me. So, that's what we're going to aim to do. But anyway, let's see if this split does or if it boosts. That seems like it's going. Obviously we are on National Speed Limit Road right now. Listen to that, is there anything better? Bang bang pop pop. No lag. That is something I'm going to miss when I do this engine conversion, because I'm running a T34, so it's a bigger turbo with a better housing, but it will have a lag up to 3000. But boy, let me tell you, when that car boosts, that is gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna have real good torque. James been in touch with me today. They've let us down with a clutch again, CG Motorsport. It's a bit of a no-go. So I think we're gonna have to go for Burton power and a Helix clutch. So that'll be a phone call I have to make this week. I need to go up and see Mark to pick up my gearbox. So So I got a new gearbox. I've sourced an aluminium timing chain cover. I put a post up and fair play, Kev from MRM said, Dan, got loads yet, come up and get one. And then I was like, thumbs up, cheers buddy, nice one, that's something I'll do. And then somebody commented and said, I got one, 20 quid posted for an aluminium one. Why would I not get that? It's going to cost me 10 at the post. Do you know what I mean? So, chuffed. Yeah, right. I come up to a 30 now, or actually a 20. So I'm going to turn the camera off. And just like that, we're home. And I'm going to chuck the hose pipe on. I think you know why. It's better. Sprayed on, switched on. Let's get this off. So not only is it clean, it now smells like strawberry milkshake. Also, before we just wrap up, let's go into the back of the car. Try again. Let's get this and this. That was good. Scratch the car down. Let's have a look, shall we? Sick. So thank you Matthew for my freebies. And then we got all these cool little cars up here. And then we got Cosworth, got Monty, which is stinking, my Fiesta, my old one on Cosy rims, my Escort, photo of me up in Silverstone. Just got my goodies then, and my skateboards, and like 300 Hot Wheels as well, and I have like 100 Cosworths in there, done in different colours. So anyhow, I'll leave you at that, and thanks for watching.